Good afternoon, everyone, all participants, course coordinator, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, UGC Malaria Mission, Teacher Training Center Online Literature Course in E-Content Development and Books, on dated 15 January 2024 to 29 January 2024. Myself, Dr. Shahji Shivaji Chandan Shive, roll number 17. My seminar topic name is environmental factor. I am working as an associate professor and research guide, Department of Zoology, शिक्षण महर्षि गुरुवर्य RG Shinde Mahavidyalaya Paranda, District Dharamshi. Today I am going to do a seminar on abiotic factors. Actually, when we are going to learn about the environment, you know that environment is forming by the biotic and abiotic factors. You know that some of the living things and some of the non-living things, which is known as the biotic and abiotic factors. We can see here that environmental factors that affect organism. Actually, organism means when any organisms come in environmental conditions, at that time there are two main factors are important. It is known as the abiotic factor. These are the non-living factors, means plants, animals, and microorganisms, which is includes in the biotic factors, and abiotic factors, that is the air, water, temperature, etc. Then climate also very important for the study of environmental factors. These are the average weather conditions that affect the community in an ecosystem. It is referred to the soil. Overall, when we are going to learn about the environmental factors, there are biotic, abiotic factors, and both factors also interact with each other. Actually, next slide please. Abiotic factors, these are the non-living features of an ecosystem. When we are going to learn about the ecosystem, what is the ecosystem? Ecosystem, for example, physical and chemical conditions that affect the community. For example, the ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, marine ecosystem, pond ecosystem. Okay, so many ecosystems are present in the environment. They also interact with the biotic factors and following the very good condition of the environment. Next slide, please. Actually, when we are going to learn about abiotic factors, so it includes the pH, DO means dissolved oxygen, the salinity, nitrate, phosphate, and other plant nutrients. Means it is known as the temperature, light intensity, air speed, water current, and humidity. So these are the main abiotic factors also included. Next slide, please. You can see here abiotic factor in the woodlands. That is the humus, soil water, soil pH, minerals, and here some of the soil here. There is the heat and solar energy also affected by into the that some organisms, including in the environments. The next one, living things. What are the environmental factors that affect organisms? What are the environmental factors? Abiotic factors, biotic factors, climatic factors, erratic factors. So these factors also affected. Next one, biotic factors. Actually, when the origin of life, at that time the biotic factors also studied by the different types of the scientists like the Lamarck, Darwin, Mendel, etc. Number of scientists which also studied on the. These are the living features. These are the living things the features of an ecosystem that affect the other members of the community. Actually, when two community or two factors of the biotic members come together, they are so struggling, they are facing to each other. Means it is a very good manners of the biotic factors that both are very important for the cycle, for the state of environment. Next is actually biotic factors included the plants for the food and shelter. Actually, each and every organism requires the plants and their parts, and including food, material, shelter, etc. Some of the predators also available. Some of the prey also available. Parasites and pathogens also available. Decomposers, competitors and pollinators. So these are the very important factors of the biotic environment, means biotic components. Actually, then we are learn about the biotic. What is the mean by the biotic factors? So these are the non-living features, non-living things of an ecosystem. Physical and chemical conditions that affect the community. Actually, number of community also is available, but only for abiotic factor also affected on the that community. For example, temperature, light intensity, air speed, water current, humidity, pH, dissolved oxygen, salinity, nitrate, phosphate, and other plant nutrition. So these are the very abiotic factors also affected. So next one. So these are the elements of the climate that is included the life and distribution of the organisms that live in the particular environments. Okay, next one. Next slide, please. Next one. Climate factors: temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind, light intensity, including the seasonal variation and the daylight. Next one. Biotic factor. Biotic factor, that is some of the example of the biotic plants for food and shelter, predator and prey, parasites and pathogens, decomposers, competitors and pollinators. Next one. Next one. Edaphic factors, that is the soil type, soil pH, available soil water, year and mineral contains, humus, soil features, textile and structure. Next one. What are the climates? So you know that what are these are the elements of the climate that include the life and distribution of the organisms that live in the particular environment. Actually, where there is a good element climate, there are number of group of organisms, that is the community, also present for the food and shelter, and they are facing to each other and compete for each other for that requirements. So this is the consider factors like radiation, current, actions. These are the considered as factors of environmental. Next one. Next one. Next one. Thank you. Today I am presenting here environmental factors, including biotic and abiotic factors. Thanks for UGC, HRDC, Dr. Bamsar Ambedkar University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Thank you.